Oh, hi. I'd like to talk about building a loft conversion today and the things that you need to consider when building a loft conversions and the things that you need to have in place. For most loft conversions, you can get them under permitted development as long as it's under 40 cubic meters in size. It's not higher than the existing ridge, and there's a few other criteria that you have to meet as well. If that's the case, that's perfect. The next thing you need to think about is the structure of your existing loft, whether you need supporting beams to hold up the structure, and how you're going to strengthen any floor joist or roof joist that needs strengthening. And the best way to go about that is to get a structural engineer to give you a fee quote. You'll get a price to see how much it is. If the price is within your price range, and then you'll get some calculations which will tell you the structural members that you'll need. When you get the information, then you'll be ready to move on to builders and to apply for building control approval. When it comes to building control, there are two ways that you can get building control approval for a loft conversion. You can make what's called a full plans application, where either your structural engineer or your architect, if you have one on board, will produce drawings with all the details and submit them to building control for approval, and you'll get approval before you start. The second way of doing it is to do what's called a building notice, where your builder will notify building control before they start, and building control will come and assess and approve the work as it goes along, so you don't have the approval beforehand. Both work, it just depends on your circumstances. Once you have all that in place, you need to get the finance in line. The key thing is to make sure that everything is priced out correctly and you have the right finances and all the resources in place for you to be able to finish the work.